if someone asks what is the purpose of visibility graphics, so what can you say? So what is visibility graphics? We had a discussion. Can you tell me what is visibility graphics?
Views.
Is it views?
Only basically what we want to see or what we don't want to see.
Okay, that is a basic thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a basic thing that we can do. Okay, so VG, visibility graphics, we have many categories inside. Okay, all right. Okay, now we have seen how to work with these categories, right? Okay, now today what we are going to see is, yesterday we saw the what you say, legend, right? The duck legend we saw. How to give the color fill inside, right? So yesterday we saw the duck legend line. We analyze. We'll be going with the duck legend, and then we'll be placing it, and then we can give a color. Okay, I can go with okay, and then if you want, you can just select it, edit the scheme, and then according to system type, we have created it yesterday. All right, but now what the problem is? See, in 3D view, you won't be getting that. It is purely for the 2D views, right? So if you want the same thing in 3D also, what can be done? Okay, so let us see what can be done here. Okay, so let me just select it, go with the scheme. I don't want this as of now. Okay, I'm taking it as none. Let me delete it. Okay, now, so coming here with this 3D view. Okay, so the first thing is that in VG, we have discussed something called filters. I just told you the idea of filter. See, as of now, when you try to hide the ducts, okay, suppose I'm trying to hide the ducts only. Okay, which duct is hidden now? Excuse me, just a minute. Sorry. Hello. Oh, sorry. So now, so when I made the ducts hidden, as of now, for the supply as well as for the return, both are now hidden, right? Okay, for the supply and for return. Suppose I want to hide the return ducts only, or the items related with the return only. Suppose I want to do that. So that all things is possible with the VG filters. Okay, let me show you how to create filters now. See, filter means what? So the word meaning, you're just selecting whatever is necessary, right? So here I'm going to categorize both things using filters. So I can now hide only the return and the supply individually by creating a filter. Done? Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So here, as of now, you don't have anything, no filters have been applied to this view. Okay, click add to apply one. So let me go with that. So here you have the default filters that you have. I'm not working with the default one. So let me see how to create a new one. Okay, so here you have editor new, or you can click add. Here also you have editor. Okay, so let me go with this edit or new. I'm going to create a new filter. Okay, let me create this new filter, and then let me give a name. Suppose it is supply air. Okay, I'm going to give a name like supply air. So if I go with okay, so this is just a name given to it. Now with this categories, I can assign what all elements should be there in the filter. So I want the ducts. Oh, see, there is multiple. So let me just have only the mechanical.
Is that zonal account?
No.
No. Thank you.
Hope so. It's not zonal account, right? How to see this? This is not zonal. Okay. Yeah. So here we have created a. Oh, it was there. Okay. I went with editor new, and then we selected this option new, and then I gave a name supply air, right? I went with okay, and then from this list I can select what all items I want. See, it is in mech. Now only the things related with mechanical will be shown, so I can select the ducts, right? And then what all things I need? I need the duct fittings, I need the duct accessories. If insulations are there, I can select them. Now flux duct, see, that also can be included, right? Okay, now the air terminals. So everything I have selected. So in this filter, in supply air, how many things are coming? Air terminals, ducts, and all those things. See, all those things are there in supply as well as in return, right? In both systems, you have them. So what I'm going to do next is, after defining these elements or criteria, I'm coming here with the filter rules. In filter rules, I can just drop this down and I can give a criteria. I'm going to differentiate it according to the system type. Okay, then system type equals, I can go with supplier. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm having the duct fittings, all the things of supply air only. Okay. So first you see this, then we can write. First you see this. Okay. So if I go with okay now, I have created a filter. Now what to do next? You add it, right? You created a filter and now I'm going to add the filter and then let me select the supply air. If I go with okay, see I have added it now. So now see here you can control the visibility. See, let me just come to model categories. Okay, the ducts, let me just turn it on. Okay, now I can come to filters again. See here for the supply air, I can turn off the visibility. If I turn it off, if I go with okay now, see, only the supply ducts are hidden. Is it okay? You understood the concept, right? Okay, so now you can write down how to create filters. Let me remove it. Yeah, okay. So what to do first? Okay, so first you go with VG, right? And you take filters.
After filters, we have to.
Okay, if you have a filter, you can add. Yes, Mr. Jaffa, just can you put on the mask? Sorry, just reminding you. Okay, you are all responsible, right? Okay. Okay, so now I can go with add if I have already created a filter, but as of now, we haven't created a filter, so I can come here with this option, edit or new. Okay, you can go with edit or new, and then I can create a new filter. See, these are all the default filters that are already there in the software. So I can come here with this option and I can create this option as new. I can click that. Okay.
If you hit this mechanical supply, what it will do? It is already there, no?
Yeah, it is already there. See, if you click this mechanical supply, you can get all the details. See, in mechanical supply, see, they have the duct accessories, fittings, insulations in system classification. Contain supply. They have defined the rule like this. So you can use that also. Okay. That is a default. For return also they have created one as default. For exhaust they have created one. Okay. So here we are just saying how to create a new filter. So just come here with new, give a name. Suppose I'm giving a name as supply. Okay, I'm giving a name as supply air. Let me go with okay. Done. Now the next thing, you have to select what are the categories that are included in supplier. So select the categories. So I have air terminals, I have duct accessories, fittings, insulations, if you want linings also, ducts and flux ducts. These many items I am selecting. Everything related with HVAC. Okay, except mechanical equipment. Let mechanical equipment I don't want to select. Except mechanical equipment, I have selected everything. Air terminal, duct accessories, fittings, insulations, lining, ducts, and flux ducts. Okay. Now, what is the next thing I'm going to do is, here, I'm coming here with this option and then let me have the system. See here, filter rules. You apply a filter rule. So in this drop-down list, I can have the system type. I'm going to differentiate according to the system type. Filter rules, come here and select system. Okay, so it's just select system type and then in this set you go with equals, right? Equals system type equal to what you have exhaust, return, and supply. Just select supply from this list. Okay, you select first the criteria. I'm selecting the system type, and then from this list, I'm selecting the operator. See, you can just go with equal to, not equal to, all those things. Okay, operators. So, but basically, in most cases, you'll be going with equals to. You don't have to create those complicated relations as of now. Okay, just go with equals and then select the supplier. Okay, done. Clear? Okay, done. So I'm going with okay now, right? So now we have created a filter. So what will be the next step? Add it. Yeah, after creating it, you add the filter. Okay, so how will you add? So come here with this button, you click on add. So in this list, now you can see the filter created, supply air. Okay, so when I select supply air, if I go with okay, see the supply air, I have added it. Okay, I have added a supply air. So what should I do here? If you want to turn off the visibility, you can turn it off from this list. See here, you can uncheck the visibility if you want. So now if you uncheck the visibility, only the ducts and the other things, duct fittings, everything of supply will be hidden. If I uncheck the visibility, here you have it. Okay. So if you want, you can hide it with a single system type. Is that okay? Yeah. Shall we move to next step? Oh,
This filter application, if it is not there in the visibility graphics, right?
okay.
Just click on the visibility graphics.
Okay.
Because normally in the model category, if it is not there in the model category, right? You can add in the filter also, right? So that you can hide or filter.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course.
Because in model category, I think the accessory is already there.
Sorry?
The accessories, the lining, etc.
Yeah.
Color field,
Yeah.
it's already there, right?
Right.
So if you uncheck this, it will not hide the, I don't know, in the 3D views.
Can you come again?
No, this one.
No. This that means complete that.
Okay.
He's talking about the specific supply return airs like this way.
Okay. See, let me just show it again.
No, sir. The filter, it's already, it's clear.
Understood. Okay.
So what's the difference of filter in the model category? What's the difference?
Okay. See, now let me turn on the filter. Okay.
Yeah.
See, if I come here with the VG, here if I try to uncheck this ducts, fittings, the accessories, air terminal, flux duct, if I go with okay, see, everything will be done here. Okay. So with filters, what I can do, see, let me just turn it on again. So now everything is shown here, right? So with filters, I can categorize only one set.
Okay.
Only for supply air. Okay.
Okay.
I can hide it. Okay. Suppose I want to show this and hide only the return air. I can do that also.
Yes.
Okay. Done.
No, that's the difference. Okay.
All right. Now, so how can you add the filter for return also? You can tell me the step. Editor new. Okay. Then what to do next?
Let's add new, sir.
You can go with add new,
Yeah.
or I'll just show you one more thing, like you can just duplicate it.
Oh, okay.
Because if you create a new, you have to give name, you have to select the category from here, and then you have to define the rule. All the same step you're doing. Okay. So I can just duplicate it from this supply air. Duplicate. Now here is a duplicate. Right click, you go to rename it. This is return air. Okay. And now what you need to change? See, if you want to change here, you can. Okay. But I don't want any more categories to be changed. It is the same thing. Air terminal, duct fittings, and everything. So here the system side should be return air. That is the only difference. Right? So you go with okay. Now you have added one more. You can just go with add return air. I can go with okay. See, I have added. Clear? And now if I want the visibility of return air to be hidden, I can just uncheck it. You go with apply. See. Done. Okay. Now, so that was with the visibility. Okay. Now, this is one set that can be done. So this is one of the important things that can be done. See, what I can do now is with this set itself. Okay, just let me just add one more thing. Now, when I go with VG, okay, apart from hiding the visibility, I can work with these patterns. Okay, so as we told, if you want the fill color inside this, okay, if you want a fill color inside this, I can work with the pattern. So I'm coming here with VG, filters, patterns. Okay. So for the supply pattern, I'm clicking here. Okay. This one, override. I can click on override. I want a color here. I want a solid fill. And then let me go with a color. Okay. Like this. Let me select. Go with okay. Now if I go with okay now, done. I can have this color in 3D. Clear? So how
Will be reflected on plan?
it won't be reflected in time. Why?
But when we change in plan, it will be reflected in 3D.
No. No. Why? Can you tell me why? He just asked, if you are doing it in 3D, will it reflect in plan? No. So the other question was, okay, there might be a condition like if you change it in the floor plan, it might show you in the 3D, but that also won't happen. Can you tell me why?
But yesterday we didn't know.
But no.
I think you said this is only for views.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
We didn't have that view only, one view. The VG is
Yes.
different for each view.
Yes. VG is unique and different for each views. That's why it won't be shown.
Yes.
Okay. So that should be registered for that.
Yes.
Okay. That's why I told you to just put a star and then write it. Okay. So VG is different. That's why. So here, what you have to do is you have to come here again. You have to go with VG and just see the filters. You don't have that filter. See, you have a different filter. That software has done it earlier. Okay. We'll come to that. You understand it better. I will explain it what this is. See, here you can see that visibility of this domestic, sanitary, and when this is hidden. Okay. I will show you what it is. Okay. Don't confuse it now. So as of now, if you want to add it, you can add it. You have the supplier and returner, but you have to repeat the same step again, right?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry about it. We shall come to it. Excuse me. Okay, so as of now, I can add the filters if required. So I'm not going to add it now. So now let us just focus on giving the patterns. So how to give patterns? You can come here with filter and then change the pattern from here. Okay. So for the return, you can come down in patterns. You can note it down. You have to just click it and just change the override to give a fill color inside. Okay. So to give a fill color inside, you have to come with the filters and in the patterns. Okay. In the patterns, you can select override. Okay, the override you selected. See here you have foreground and background. Okay, I will just show you what is foreground. Okay, so the first thing you just noted like, okay, in the foreground, excuse me, the foreground, you just change the pattern. So you can choose any pattern, okay. But as per our condition, you will be giving the solid fill itself. Okay, make it solid fill pattern. You just make it solid fill so that you have the fill color inside. And then you can select a color. Okay, so the color, I'm just giving it as this magenta maybe. So you can go with okay. Just go with apply. Done. See, you have a fill color here. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Oh, I'm forgetting the things. Just promised you two things. One is the brightness. See the transfer what the thing I see. Now you can see it here. Okay, it's almost from there. It is just a bit. Then you asked me the split element, right? I didn't see that. Just I remember now. Split element. Okay, so here this is how you can give the what fill color. So let me just show you what is background and foreground. So I'm just coming here again. See, foreground is color. Let me just give the foreground with a different pattern. Suppose this is the pattern I have, and in the background, let me give a solid fill, and let me have. Okay, this shape is fine. I think. Okay, I'm just selecting this shape. See, foreground is a different pattern, and it is magenta color. And background, it is a fill color and the cyan color. Okay, let me go with this. See, if you zoom in, you have a background. On that, you have crossing. You have a background color, cyan. See, just like hatch, you have a background color. On that, you have crossing. Yeah, see here, you have background color of this. On this, they have created this pattern.
What is the need of this?
Yeah, that's what I told. What is for normally we'll be just doing the fill color. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Normally we'll be doing only the fill color. Okay. In case, just need to know what is foreground meaning. As of now, you just go with no override. Here also no override. Only for this one, you just make it solid fill. You go, okay. So this is fine, right? Okay. So what is the advantage of making it like VG different for each view? So it is very important and it is very useful. See, as of now, if I come here with a 3D view, so this is one 3D view that we have, right? I'm just going to duplicate it. Let me right click here. I can duplicate this view. Okay. So VG, I hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Done. Okay. So filters, I think it is perfect. So now I'm just going to duplicate a view. So how we can duplicate a view? So in order to duplicate a view, right click on that view and then you can go with duplicate view and then select duplicate. See, with detailing and all, we can discuss it once we see annotations. Okay. So detailing is coming under annotations. Okay. So just come here with the option duplicate. That's all you need to do. Right click the view, come here with duplicate view and click on duplicate.
So what happens after this?
Okay, so if I click duplicate, you have one more duplicated view. See, this is 3D view, copy one. Let me create one more copy. Right click on 3D view, duplicate view, and then click on duplicate. So you have two duplicate view. So let me just right click here, rename. This is 3D supply. Next, rename 3D return. If I want to create two different views. So now I am in 3D return. So here I can go with VG. I can come with filters. I can, this is return, right? I can uncheck the visibility of supply. So this gives me the 3D view only of the return ducts. I can come here with the supply. Okay. And then in VG, here I can go filters. I can turn off the visibility of the return ducts. Yeah. So this is how you can work with VG and control each views. See, these views will be finally taken for the drafting, right? For documentation, you can just drag and drop these views. Yeah. Okay. So it is easier. So just keep on creating views like this. Okay. That is one condition. Okay. So we have seen what is the importance of VG giving different for each views. Okay. Fine. So now see for the default template, okay, software also have created many VG as default. We have seen it already. In VG, you had some list of filters created already. So if I take this plumbing floor plan, so here you can't see any of the items created, right? No ducts are there. Okay, because here in this VG, they have turned off all the duct and all those elements, right? Okay, so here, what is the function of plumbing floor plan? To create the pipes and all those, right? Okay, so when you draw pipe, okay, PI is the short key. Okay, you have many what system type like this. You have for domestic cold water, hot water, fire protection, okay, and you have sanitary pipes. So here you have something called hydronic return and supply. See, these pipes are for the chiller, from the coming from the chiller, right, to the chill water pipes. Okay, so that actually it is related with the mechanical side. Okay, so you need to show it in the HVAC floor plan. So here, when I come to HVAC, okay, if I take the okay, any floor plan like this. So when I go with VG, you can clearly see that in the filters, they have domestic, they have sanitary, and they have vent. So why they have did it here? Because in this particular floor plan, the visibility of pipes and other elements are on. See, here pipe fittings, everything is on. So you can see the pipe also in mechanical view. But is that good? See, if you see the sanitary pipes and everything here, It won't be a proper result. That's why they came here. They added these filters and they have turned off the visibility of domestic cold water pipe, okay, hot water pipe, the sanitary pipe, the vent pipe, all the visibility is turned off, right? So as default itself, they have created a filter like this. Okay, so this is how you can make use of filters. I hope this is clear, right? So it is very, very important. See, that's why we are just spending 2 days for visibility. Okay, it's very important. Okay, now the next step. Okay, so as you just recommended me, you just asked me like, see, I have the thing created in 3D. Okay, perfect. Let me close all this. But here, when I take the other floor plan, you don't have these properties. Okay, in 3D view, fine, we have created the properties for everything, but in 2D, you don't have this. So what to do? Right, that is a step. Again, if you come to VG, you won't be getting that filters. Okay, even if you add the filters, you won't be having that properties. See, I added supply air. Do we have the property? No, you don't. Clear? Okay, so that's why it is like we can make this properties as a single set and you can create a view template. You told me a template, right? So we can just assign these properties as a view template, okay, as default properties. So let us assign this as a view template. So next step is that creating a view template, okay, creating a view template. So next step, it is like creating a view template. Creating view template. Okay, so how will you create a view template? You have to come here with view, and then in view templates, you have the option create template from current view. Okay, so in view tab, right, in graphics panel, the first option you have view templates, just drop it down, and then you have the option create template from current view. Create template from current view. Huh? Okay, so I'm coming here with the create template from current view. I'm just clicking that. So what does it say? Name. Okay, suppose I'm giving a name like mech systems. Suppose I'm giving a name like this, mech systems. Okay, so I'm going with okay now. Okay, I gave a name for the view template. I just gave mech systems. I just gave a name like this. Okay, I went with okay. So when I pressed OK after giving the name, this is the property box I'm getting. So view template, these are the view properties that it has. Okay, these are the view properties that it has. Okay, everything related with the view will be here. See, just come here, the scale. How much it is? 1:100. Okay, the detail level, it is in medium. Okay, now again, like you have the model display, right? All this thing, it is in hidden line, right? So discipline, it is mechanical, it is HVAC, and then VG properties. Okay? Everything is listed here. VG overrides, model categories, annotation categories. So however, we have applied the properties for the view. Everything is taken as the property of view template. Okay, this clear? All right. And now if I go with okay, I have just created a template now. That's all. Okay, so what you did, we just came here. We applied all the views here. Okay, in the view, you have applied all the properties, however you want to see the 3D view. Okay, so we have did all those things. See, if I want to see it as fine view, I can make it fine view. All those things I can adjust it from here. Okay, view related properties. Then you come here with the view tab, template, view template. You go with create template from the current view. You give it a name, and then you can go with okay. That's all you need to do, right? So you have now created a template. Now, if I come to this view, okay, you don't have the color fill, right? So if I want the color fill, I can what? Apply the view template here. Okay, so after creating a view template, next heading, how to apply a view template. For a view, how will you apply a view template? Okay, it can be any view. Okay, for any view, how will you apply a view template? Okay, how will you apply a view template? So here, if you want to apply a view template, I can come here in this particular property box. See, this is the property of the floor plan. So in that you have identity data, right? Under identity data, here the view template is none. You click on that. Okay, so for the what view properties, again the properties for the floor plan, you have the option identity data. Okay, under identity data, you have view template. Okay, in the properties, under identity data, you have the view template. Okay, just click that. As default, it will be none. Okay, just click it. Okay, so what I did here, I just came here and then I clicked this option. None. Okay, so now is there anything listed here? You just come here. Okay, view type filter, make it all, so that you can see all the view templates that are here as of now. So which template we want? Mix systems, right? If I go with OK, see. Here, you can just go with Control Z. So what I did, I came here with the properties of the floor plan, identity data, view template, it will be none. Click that.
It can be done vice versa also, right?
Yeah. If there is any template, you can make it to none. Yes. Just make it all. Okay, and then you can see all the view templates. Just select the view template that you need. Okay, I selected that, and then you can go with OK. You select the view template from the list, and then you can go with apply. So I'm selecting the mesh template I have. Yeah. Okay.
Things are coming now.
So I can go with OK now, right? So you can see this change, like you have the fill color, then one more change happened. Did you notice that? Let me go with Control Z. Okay, Control Y. See, Control Z, Control Y. What is the change apart from color? See, Control Z. So this was the initial position. So after applying the template, come on, see Control Z. Okay. Now, what was our intention? To give the fill color inside, right? Okay. So when I applied the template, of course, you're getting the fill color. Is there anything else that came apart from color? Come on. You can see it clearly, right?
Yeah, just Control Z.
Okay, Control Z.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So no
Okay.
template is applied now. I'm going with Control Y. So after applying the template, okay. See, this is the view after applying the template. Yes, the tags are also appearing, right? Earlier, it was not like that. But we were just in our idea, it was like applying the color. Okay, so for that we are applying a template. Okay, so can you tell me why this happened?
Because it was the
In which?
what we created in the 3D.
In 3D, these tags are activated actually. Okay, fine. See, under which category will this come? It will be coming under annotation categories. Okay, so in that it will be turned on. That's why. Okay.
We can turn it on.
Yeah, if you don't want, we can turn it off. Hide in view, but I can't hide it by category. Let us go with VG. Can you do anything? Okay, you can come with annotations. Okay, here you can go with the space tags, but here, see, the space tags can't be hidden. Why? See, all these things are not activated. Model categories, I can't do anything with the model categories. Even if I just take mechanical, okay, I can't do anything here.
3D we have to.
Filter, sir. Filter also.
Filter also, okay, but see, filter I have it. Yeah, filter you can just come here, okay. But still you can't select this filter.
From the view template?
Okay, see, this is because of the view template. So when we were creating the view template, what we did, see, I came here with create view template from current view. Okay, then we gave a name, suppose KK. I'm just giving a name. So here all the properties are added in the view template. Okay, So however, you have the properties here, all these things are as a template. Okay, all this view properties are assigned in that template. So as of now, everything is included in this particular template.
So if you uncheck, it will
Yes,
not be
you can
included,
change.
huh?
Where is the spaces?
Come
No,
on. Okay, where is the
he make a
spaces?
new
Okay,
no, filter type that. It
no,
is
no,
good,
no.
huh?
What he asked was, where is spaces? Okay. From this list, can you tell me under which category you can find spaces? His question was, okay,
Yeah.
the spaces, the space
yeah,
tags,
space
tags. Under which category will you find space tags?
Annotation.
Annotation. See here, we have VG overrides annotation. Okay, in that you can find it. Okay, all right. Okay, fine. So what we have to do now? See, if you want to hide it or if I want to change it using VG, I have to change the template, right? Only then I can have these things edited. So how to change the template? Okay, so we have seen how to create a template. The second step, how to apply the template. The third step, how to modify the template or edit the template. Okay, we are going with this.
Modify the template. Can you come again?
Yeah, we will see that. So if you want to modify the template, you come here with view, templates, manage view templates. Okay, in order to modify the view templates, you can come here with the option view, and in graphics panel, in view tab, in graphics panel, you have the first option here in view templates. Just click on the option manage view template.
Did you study this or else you are telling now only?
No, I'm telling now.
Okay.
Manage view templates. Just click on manage view templates.
So many steps.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. See, we see the graphics. We are taking 2 days for it because see, you have to work on this for each and every use. That's the only thing.
But that's powerful for a model presentation and reviews.
Right.
That's what we know. It's very difficult to learn these things somewhere outside basically from videos and all.
Okay. Fine.
I have to take the classes. I got this thing. It's work. You then you have to go to.
You go with view, okay, yeah, and just go with manage view templates. Yeah, manage view templates. Just click on manage view templates. Manage view templates.
This is the purpose of the visibility graphics.
So, can you tell me what can be the next step to do? Which template are you going to edit? Select it. See, Mech Systems. This is the template I want to edit. So, select the template that you want to edit. Okay. First, you have to come here with manage view templates and then select the view template that you have to edit. So that is an important step. Okay. You select the view template that you need to edit. Yeah. Just select the view template that you have. Okay. Select it. And now I can come here with the, yeah. See, if I want to uncheck this one, see, as of now, if I come here, okay, I'll just show you. Okay. Here, if I will just close it. See, you won't be able to edit the scale. You won't be able to edit this particular view. You can see that?
Yeah, I can see.
Fine. Okay. Yeah. So see the coarse, medium, it is not seen. Here, this also I can't do anything. Okay. So all the view related things are not activated. In VG also I can't do anything. So what I'm going to do, manage templates, you select the template that you want to edit, and then see here you have the view scale. If you want to change it by yourself, you can just uncheck this. You don't want to include this in your view template. Okay. So it is free to be edited. Okay. You are letting this free. Okay. It can be changed. Okay. Model overrides. This can be also changed. The model categories in VG. Then the annotation categories in VG. Okay. Now the filters, I should log it because I'm having that as my main step, filters. So let that be the step. Okay. So I just want these things to be what changed, and model display also I want to change hidden, shaded, wireframe, those options. Okay. I'm just changing this and I can go with okay now. Now if you try, go with VG. See, it is activated. Model categories. See, we have unchecked that. So now model categories can be edited. Similarly, if you come here, see the scale can be edited. Here, okay, I didn't change this one. So here I can change this particular model. So this was under model display. See, this is the detail level. Excuse me. This is detail level. So if I come here, I can go with the option, okay, again, manage the view templates for Mac systems. If I want to uncheck the detail level, see it is medium. I unchecked it. I go with OK. Now I will be able to change this. I hope it is clear,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So this is how you have to do.
I think it's better to keep unchecked all of this, right?
Yeah, see, whatever you want to change individually, you can uncheck it while creating the template itself. Okay, done. So how to create a view template? Fine. Then how to apply a view template and then modify them. Before that, how to use the filters. Yes, using filters, assigning filters, how to give properties for the filters, right? And then we saw how to duplicate views, right? I think only this much will be enough. Okay, make sure you're okay with the concept. Okay, yeah, just try this one. I think we can, other things will be confusing.